Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of vocabulary fun. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is call. It's an A1 level noun that means a shout or telephone communication. A call is a very basic word, but mastering it opens the door to more complex communication. So let's dive in. A call, as we've established, refers to both the act of shouting to get someone's attention and the act of communicating via telephone. Think about it. You can make a phone call to your friend, or you can give someone a call across the room. It's a versatile word with a range of applications. Now, let's explore some synonyms for call. One synonym is shout. For example, instead of saying I gave him a call to warn him, we could say I gave him a shout to warn him. Another synonym is cry. You might say I heard her call for help, or I heard her cry for help. A further synonym related specifically to telephone communication is phone. So, you could replace I'll give you a call later with I'll phone you later. And finally, ring, meaning to telephone someone, serves as a valid synonym. I'll ring you tonight instead of I'll call you tonight. Now, let's consider some antonyms. An antonym for call, when used in the sense of shouting, could be whisper. For example, instead of making a call to someone far away, you might whisper something to someone standing right next to you. Another antonym, especially relevant for phone call context, is silence. If you don't make a call, there's silence. Think of it like this. The phone was silent. There was no call. If you don't call someone, you might choose to ignore them. Ignore also serves as an antonym. It's the opposite of reaching out through a call. Another, perhaps more subtle antonym, is response. A call often requires a response, so the lack of a response is in a way the opposite of a call. Finally, consider the word text. Instead of making a call, you might send a text message. Let's look at how call is used in everyday life. You can use call to say, I need to make a call to the doctor's office. You can also use it in common expressions like it's your call, meaning it's your decision. Or he's always on call, referring to someone who must be available for work. You can answer a call. You can miss a call. You can return a call. You can put someone on call. Here are some example sentences and phrases using call. Please give me a call when you arrive. That was a close call. I'll call you back in 5 minutes. The referee made a bad call. He didn't answer my call. She made a desperate call for help. It's a tough call, but I think we should proceed. What do you call this flower? On call 24/7. He is first call for emergency situations. They made a call to emergency services. The company held an earnings call for investors. A call came from an unknown number. I'm expecting a call from my supervisor at 3 p.m. There was a bird call in the distance. The umpire made the final call. The team benefited from a favorable call from the referee. He answered the call of duty. The politician made a call for unity. The general made a call to arms. So, to recap, today we learned that call, an A1 level noun, means a shout or telephone communication. We explored synonyms like shout, cry, phone, and ring, and antonyms like whisper, silence, ignore, response, and text. We also looked at how call is used in everyday language and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and expand their vocabulary. And now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word call and share it as a comment under the video.